So, in case anybody's wondering, because I haven't seen any videos on this on YouTube, so I just thought I would do it. This is a 04 Jag XJ8 rear control arm or bushing, hub bushing. So in case anybody was trying to figure out how to get it off. So this one's frozen up, but I got it loose. But this is the first thing you do. Well, after you take the wheel off, you take this hub bolt off, nut, which goes right in there. Then you got to use this puller, and it won't come off because it's a 20-something-year-old car. So you got to get your old torch. Well, you don't have to have that, I don't think. Probably a little bottle of butane, maybe it'll work. And I got this one coming off now, but what I did was I heated it up as much as I could all the way around, right in there, because that's where the shaft goes through, right in there. I didn't get it red hot, but I got it pretty hot, so all the way around. And I had tension on this as much as I could get it without breaking it anyway to start off with. And sprayed this stuff on it overnight. So anyway, after heating it, I heated in there around the, not on the shaft there, but around the hub itself, because you just want to try to get the hub hot without heating up the shaft. But it's going to bleed heat over anyway, but that's besides the point. So you heat that up in there, heat this up pretty good, so you feel like you got it hot enough, and then start cranking on that. If it can crank anymore. And you can see where I've been beating it on it with a hammer to jolt it loose. So just go around it, tapping on it pretty hard. I'll have to grind that lip off. But anyway, that's how you do it. And this thing was coming off whenever I was doing it before. So let's see if I can mount the camera up while I'm doing that. And it should come off. Yeah, coming right off. Now you won't think it's coming off at first, even though the thing, it turns a little bit every time you tap on it, then go turn it. But it is moving. And now it's moving on its own without tapping. So it pulls the whole hub off, assembly, and then you got to get the hub out of the housing. This is just the spline shaft. So you can see the puller's already kind of rocking, so it's about to come out. Actually, it just came off. Put that back on. Threads on this thing is getting screwed up. Back it off a little bit. A little indentation for your jack. All right, you bastard, come on. There we go. Oh, a fucking stud, no wonder. You motherfucker. Come on. You're gonna be a pain in the ass, aren't you? Them threads have got screwed up, so now I can't turn it by hand. It's coming off. There it goes. And that's it. So the bearing is in there. There's a little clip there. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to touch it because it's kind of hot, probably still hot. And I probably burned up my seals, but I'm going to change everything anyway. So you can barely see that clip. You got to get that out. And you got to drive out your bearing and put it back together. Hope this helps. See ya.